Okay, so here's the situation. Doesn't work. Old gate valve doesn't work. Old gate valve, and this space is super tight. So this is a threaded gate valve. So is that. So you tell me, how are we gonna thread this without tearing up the wall? I mean, I could probably cut it right there, but. All right, the water main is right here. There you go, that shuts off the main to the building. All right, drained it down. Yeah, I don't know how we're gonna do this here. I guess we'll just have to make it work. All right, got it off. We just got to get that one off. I'm actually going to cut that one, and then got the threads exposed right here. All right, we got the, which one is that? That's the cold pro pressed on. And we got the hot right here. This just freaking popped right out, dude. Wow. So I'm gonna have to solder a little, piece of copper on there with an adapter, I guess. Yeah. Yeah. All right, I had to sweat that on there. Not the best solder joint I've ever done, but I figure it'd be a lot easier than redoing it. I just cleaned it all off. Back on, no leaks. Now I'm gonna pro press the rest here. I'm gonna have to cut that back. That's a little bit too close. Well, maybe, no, that's not, that'll work. But we got some play on that. But we'll pro press this, and then that'll be it. See any issues here? Yeah. We have to somehow try and bend this copper because it ain't lining up, man, and we can't get this line to go up anymore. There you go. Carlos got it on. I couldn't do it because he was on this side of the toilet, and I think he had more leverage. But that was a pain because that copper is kind of bent. But yeah. So now we'll press it. Where's that? Dude, that light sucks, bro. That thing dies like, that's brand new, dude. I got that at Alvarado. And it dies like, you have that on for less than 10 minutes and it's dead. All right, let's see if there's leaks. No leaks. Dang. Okay, this one, I don't know, man. This one might be just as messed up. All right, so Carlos, because I'm too stupid, what you do is you put this on, you press this, then you press this, and then you can bend this to get it in here. Duh, right? So we'll press this, we're gonna press all that, and then we'll just bend this back and put it into here and press it. There you go. No leaks. That was hard, man. That was hard. I mean, you have zero space. I was about to uninstall that toilet. And then, I'm not going to show this on camera, but we got to replace those valves. Or the stems, I mean, not valves. And he's been a good boy. So now we're just getting this to fit this access panel. There you go. There you have it.